Good morning, class. My name is Pacifique and today's lesson is on health. So we will be focusing on over-the-counter medications that you can get at the pharmacy. So over-the-counter medication means that you do not need your doctor to write you a prescription to go get this medicine. So some examples are Tylenol, Advil, Mucinex, Claritin. So today I will be taking you to CVS and we will be looking at the different options there. Hello class, I have made it to the pharmacy. I am at CVS. CVS is similar to Walgreens and Rite Aid. And before I go in, I have brought my mask. So because of COVID, I wear a mask everywhere I go to protect me. So we will be going to aisle 13A and B. So this aisle has eye care, cold remedies, heating pads, allergy, analgesics, and humidifiers. So this is the aisle where you will find non-prescription medication. As you can see, there is a sign that says no prescription needed. So that means that this is over the counter and you do not need a doctor's note or prescription to buy this. So over here we have some allergy relief medicine. And so we have a CVS brand for allergy. And it is $42.99, which is quite expensive, but it has 240 tablets. So that means it has 240 days worth of prescription. So on the back, you will find how to take the medication. So this one, for adult and children 6 years and over, you take 1 tablet daily, which means you take 1 tablet a day. This prescription should not be given to kids under 6 years old. Another brand that is here for allergy is Claritin. So Claritin is very, very common. A lot of people take Claritin. So this one has 45 tablets, which means there are 45 pills inside. And on the back again, you will see directions to take 1 tablet daily. So 1 tablet every day. And this one is $32.49, but it does have a lot less tablets. So this section is where you will find Advil, ibuprofen, and Tylenol. Most people take Advil, ibuprofen, or Tylenol if they have a headache or it helps relieve a fever. So if your temperature is high, and it also helps with any sort of back pain or knee pain. So let's take a look at this Advil. So this Advil has 100 tablets, so it means it has 100 pills. It is $9.79. And so let's read about it. So when it says do not use, that means do not take this medication if you had an allergy reaction to it before, or if you have had any type of heart surgery. And so the directions, you do not take more than directed. The smallest amount you should take for children and adults. So let's take a look at Advil. because Advil is very common for people to take when they have a headache or any sort of pain. So Advil is $9.79 for 100 tablets. So for 100 tablets, let's read the directions. So do not take more than directed. So you should only take how much the directions tell you to. So adults and children 12 years and over, you take 1 tablet, so 1 pill every 4 to 6 hours. So if your symptoms, if you keep having a headache or a fever, you can keep taking 1 tablet every 4 to 6 hours. But you should not take more than 6 tablets in 24 hours. So don't take more than 6 pills in a day. And you should not give it to children under 12 years old unless it is authorized by your doctor. So these are some warnings before you take Advil. So be careful if you've ever had a heart attack or a stroke, and you should not take this if you've had heart surgery or an allergy reaction to Advil. Okay, so as you can see over here, Advil relieves minor aches and pains, so such as headache, back pain, toothache, or just sore muscles. I personally take Tylenol, but I know a lot of people take Advil. So Tylenol is the same thing as Advil, just a different brand. In this section, you will find medicine for the cold, so if you have a cough, or you will find medicine for the flu. So let's pick one of these to take a look at. So let's pick NyQuil. So NyQuil cough. This is $9.99. So NyQuil cough, as you can see, this is for coughing, but it is also used for nighttime relief. So NyQuil is for nighttime relief. Actually, this packet gives you Dayquil, so you can take this during the day for your cough, and then you have NyQuil, and you can take this one during the nighttime before you go to sleep. Now let's see how you take this medication. So on the back you will find directions, and in the direction it tells you the dose that you're supposed to take. So the dosage is the amount that you're supposed to take. So you do not want to exceed 4 doses per 24 hours. What that means is you do not want to take 4 doses, so 4 little cups amounts for 24 hours. So for adults and children 12 years and over, you take 30 milliliters every 6 to 8 hours. Children 6 to under 12 years take 15 milliliters every 6 to 8 hours. So that means that children from 6 to 12 should take half of what an adult will take every 6 to 8 hours. And children younger than 6 years old should ask a doctor or not use this medication at all. And so here are warnings, mean you should not take this medication if any of this applies to you. So for example, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should ask your doctor before you use it. And you should keep it away from children who are 12 years or younger, or away from children in general, because you should give it to the children. They shouldn't take it themselves. So that is Dayquil, as I said, for the day. and NyQuil for when you are going to bed. In this section, we will find the over-the-counter medicine called omeprazole. So omeprazole is for acid reducer, and if you are experiencing heartburn. So if you have stomach pain because your stomach lining is acidic, you take omeprazole. And if you have heartburn that's happening 2 or more days a week, then you can take omeprazole without a prescription. So on the back, you will find how to use the medicine, so directions, and you will find warnings on when you should not take the medicine. So if you are experiencing chest pain, so if you have a lot of chest pain, you should not take this medicine and you should ask your doctor first, okay? And you should not take this medicine if you are vomiting or having extreme stomach pain. So for the directions, the dosage, so for adults 18 years of age and older, you can only take 1 pill every 24 hours. So 1 pill a day for every day for 14 days. So this medication is only for adults. You cannot give this to children. So the way you take the medicine is by taking it with a glass of water before eating in the morning. So you take one every single day for 14 days with a glass of water before eating. This is a friendly reminder to complete the survey below so that I can take attendance and put you as present for the lesson today.